example of engaging beyond partisan lines. Individuals from different regions of India, diverse backgrounds, and even conflicting ideologies came together to draft the Constitution in one voice. In his last speech before the Constituent Assembly, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar articulately said, "The task of the drafting committee would have been a very difficult one if this Constituent Assembly had been merely a motley crowd, a tessellated pavement without cement, a black stone here and a white stone there, is which each member or each group was a law unto itself." We find the same bipartisan effort, and this is something to which we as citizens of India must be proud, has gone into the passing of the Women's Reservation Bill recently in Parliament. The making of our Constitution is indeed a perfect encapsulation of the framework that I have proposed today. Before I conclude, in the spirit of this being an international lawyers' conference, I would like to highlight that while the judiciary definitely bears the responsibility to administer justice and uphold the rule of law, my friends at the bar, you play an equally vital role in an era characterized by ever-increasing globalization. The role of lawyers has evolved to address myriad global legal challenges. The rapid advancement of technology has created complex legal issues, with lawyers leading the way in navigating this landscape. They ensure clients and governments adapt to tech changes while upholding legal rights and regulations, covering areas like cybersecurity, data privacy, and intellectual property. Lawyers also bear significant commercial responsibility, driving economic growth by helping clients and governments enhance business efficiency and cross-border operations. Through their role in facilitating international trade, investments, and collaborations, they contribute to our nation's economic well-being and global cooperation. Just as Indian industry has radically altered its footprints from 1980 or earlier, by now reaching out across the world, I believe it's time for our lawyers to reach across the world in a global landscape. The government is in the process of creating infrastructure. There is a global outreach by the government to the rest of the world. I believe that our legal profession must not be left behind. We cannot look upon ourselves as merely domestic practitioners. Our reach, our vision, our outlook must now become global. While none of us have a magic wand to wish away the challenges to justice delivery, I am certain that the sessions lined up over the next 2 days will inspire each of us to collaborate as nations, institutions, and individuals to find innovative solutions. With that, I come to the end of my address. I thank you for your attention. Namaskar.
That was, of course, the Chief Justice of India, DY Chandrachud, speaking at the International Lawyers Conference. And this, of course, was him briefing the lawyers about the importance of judiciary in the nation. And, of course, the CJI made a very important point there. He said that the government and the judiciary are not on different ends as perceived. In fact, they are on the same side, and the aim is the same, that the fact that the nation must progress and prosper. The CJI was also talking about how the lawyers are important for the economic progress of the nation.